Coast bracing for that monster storm.
Today, I'm declaring a state of emergency.
Blizzard warnings from Washington to New York. More than 2 feet of snow expected in some areas, with wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour. Coastal areas fear near-record flooding that could rival Hurricane Sandy. Thousands of flights canceled, the nation's capital shutting down, and the South already hit hard overnight. Cars sliding off the road, tornadoes touching down, damaging homes and ripping trees from the ground. More than 70 million Americans in the crosshairs right now.
Donald Trump and Bernie Sanders surging. The stunning new polls just days before the voting begins. Hillary Clinton now on the attack. And Ted Cruz fights back against Donald Trump's latest line of attack. This morning, we speak exclusively to the Texas senator.
Flying under the influence. A pilot arrested for flying passenger planes while drunk, now facing federal charges. How did this captain get behind the controls?
And Clash of the Titans. Two of the biggest names and brands in sports facing off for a trip to the Super Bowl. Tom Brady and Peyton Manning battling on the field and off. Which star will be super?
Live in Times Square, this is Good Morning America.
And we do say Good Morning America. Well, if you're snowed in this weekend, at least you have some great football to watch, right?